everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to disable send a do not track request on your Opera GX. So it's quite simple. From the browser home menu, what you do is that you look at the sidebar at the left. Now you see the settings icon. In case it doesn't have, you can check out a video on how to add settings icons to your sidebar on Opera GX. So once you're there, after watching the video, just pause this video right now and go watch that video, how to add settings icon to sidebar on Opera GX. And once you've watched it, please follow the instruction, and then you come back to this video and we're going to continue from there. So once you've done that, you click on the settings icon, and the next thing you're going to do is you're going to scroll all the way down until, or better still, just click on privacy and security on this menu side here. Then the next thing you're going to do is click on third-party cookies, and then scroll all the way down until you see send a do not track request. You can see it is enabled, so you turn it off, you disable it. It's quite simple. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. See you in the next video. Bye for now.